Welcome to this week's Play at Home. My name is Miss Katie. Play at Home is a program designed for ages 2 and up and their grown-ups to pick up a materials packet from the library that helps you complete the activities we talk about in this video. This week's kit registration has already passed, but you can sign up for next week's kit down below in the comments. You can also call the library and see if there are any extras for this week's kit. If you want, we will place one aside for you as long as there are extras. This week's kit is kind of silly. It makes a silly sounds. This is an alphabet search bag for this week's kit. Inside of our pouch, there are all 26 alphabet letters, and it's up to our young friends to shake it up and to find all of the beads inside. Now, a quick safety reminder for our grown-ups. We have safety pinned the zipper shut so nothing can come out, and we've hot glued the safety pin so that no one can get poked. But please supervise your youngsters while they're playing with the alphabet rice bag. Once your child has found all 26 letters that are inside, you can extend this activity by having them find the letters in their name. So I would need to find a K, an A, a T, an I, and an E. Oh, I found an A, so I've got one of my 5, but it would take me a lot longer to find the other 4. You can also spell simple words for them to find. Simple ones that include one letter each. So cat. First you would find a C, then an A, then a T. You could do dog. You'd find a D, an O, and a G. Lastly, you can use it just as a regular noise maker. If you wanted to sing a silly song like Lori Berkner's I Know a Chicken, She Laid an Egg. What kind of egg? A shaky egg. Or you would do other songs like Shake My Sillies Out, or what other ones can you think of, friends? Let me know down below in the comments field, and let our other library friends know what songs you might be singing with your alphabet shake bag. We're so happy that you joined us for today, and we hope to see you again next week, Tuesday mornings at 10 a.m. for another Play at Home video. Until then, have a wonderful week, friends. Bye.